Don't miss this video, because today we are going to make a homemade mask together that really works wonders. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wished your skin would suddenly become bright, clear, and blemish-free? Think about it, with this mask, every time you use it, it's as if you are giving your skin a new and healthy layer. By the way, are you more looking to remove blemishes and dark spots or acne and acne scars? Write in the comments so that I can prepare the next masks for you. The recipe I prepared for you, we need 2 tablespoons of rice. Be sure to wash the rice and then use it for your skin. I recommend not throwing away the rice water. If you have a pot and plant at home, because it will grow and thrive the best, Xenotation fought rice is a real miracle for the skin. This amazing ingredient not only brightens and clears the skin, but with its antioxidant and anti-aging properties, it rejuvenates, increases collagen production, removes blemishes and dark spots, reduces acne, shrinks pores, and even gently exfoliates. It's like having a natural and safe whitening agent that makes your skin several degrees brighter and fresher in just a few weeks. Now imagine combining all these properties with cucumber. Cucumber itself is rich in water and vitamins, reduces inflammation and puffiness, deeply hydrates and cools the skin, and makes it incredibly fresh and soft. Rice and cucumber together create a magical potion that makes your skin not only white and bright, but also smooth and flawless like a mirror. It's like you have a natural Instagram filter on your face. Try it, you'll be shocked by the results. Smiling face with hard eyes, have you ever tried using a rice mask? How did it feel on your skin? Did it satisfy you? How much lighter did your skin become? Tell me. I'm eager to hear your experiences. We put 2 spoons of washed rice, along with a glass of water, on the heat until the rice is completely cooked. When you can easily crush the rice grain with your fingertips, it means it is ready. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. My God, did you know that I am revealing to you the secret of youth of Korean and Japanese women? Yes, you heard me right. This is the secret of Asian women, whose real age cannot be guessed, because rice mask is their main technique for having a youthful skin routine. In the meantime, we grate a cucumber with or without skin and pass it through a strainer, because we need cucumber juice. I never throw away the pulp of fruit or some vegetables. Tea pads or tea are in the majority of houses. I put the cucumber pulp in 2 tea bags and put it in the freezer. It works wonders for puffiness and bags under the eyes, as well as insect bites. You will experience a very pleasurable sensation. Be sure to try it. Cucumber is truly a green miracle for your skin. Almost 95% of cucumber is pure water, which means it hydrates your skin to the core and eliminates dryness. When you're tired or puffy, just put a few cucumber slices on your face. It will calm down the puffiness and redness and cool and soothe your skin. It has vitamin C, caffeic acid, and a lot of antioxidants that reduce wrinkles, fight acne and blemishes, and make your skin soft and fresh like a baby. They even say that if you apply cucumber to your skin, it will be as if you gave it a glass of cool water and put an Instagram filter mask on it. Now imagine combining this property with rice. You will create a concoction that will make your skin several degrees whiter and clearer, so that anyone who sees it will think you did Photoshop. Grinning face with sweat. The next step is to combine the cucumber juice and cooked rice and blend it with a blender to turn it into a creamy rice and cucumber puree. Add the third ingredient on the list. It is nothing but natural mountain honey. Now our mixture has become a skin concoction. Of course, the last option of our mixture remains. I would also like to talk about the properties of honey. Honey for the skin. It is a delicious miracle. Not only does it deeply moisturize and soften your skin, but with its antioxidant and antibacterial properties, it destroys all acne, blemishes, and dirt, making your face shine like a mirror and multiplying its transparency. Honey cleanses and tightens pores, fights wrinkles and skin aging, heals scars and acne scars, and even helps brighten the skin. It's like you've applied a natural Photoshop filter to your face. If you're looking for flawless, white skin that shines like the stars, add honey to your routine and see the results. Smiling face with hard eyes. We pierce a vitamin E with a needle, add the mixture, and also to thicken our mixture and multiply the properties of the mask. We use a tablespoon of cornstarch. The reason I say it doubles the properties, don't underestimate cornstarch. This magical powder for the skin works like an instant miracle. Xenotation spot, it soothes inflammation, redness, and itching on the spot, and even soothes sunburn and bites. Xenotation spot, it absorbs excess oil and sweat, and with its drying properties. It gets rid of acne and fungus. Xenotation spot, it fades spots, makes the skin bright and clear, and even helps to plump the face. Xenotation spot, it is rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, C, and minerals, so it nourishes and strengthens your skin. Xenotation spot, the texture is so soft it feels like you've just applied silk to your face. Xenotation spot, if you're looking for an instant, miraculous whitening treatment, try a cornstarch mask. It can make your skin look a few shades brighter and smoother. So much so that everyone will think you photoshopped it. Grinning face with smiling eyes.